Alright guys, last life, no more respawn waves. Oh.
Stand back! Stand back! Drag out!
There are more dudes in that place than I thought there were. I don't know, the guy with the Gurkha and a TK is appropriate, F. Oh fuck, we're out of waves.
Fuck. That
What do you
It's
get?
just about to let Como. Just you two, we're out of waves.
Gotta be kidding me.
Get moving! Go!
Yeah, you're the last guy standing, Tom. No pressure. Oh, no, this is Zeb as well.
That means Tom's the last guy standing.
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, Zeb's doing pretty good. Zeb, to your left at the bar.
Straight ahead to your, straight ahead of you, Seb, to your right. To your right. Right. And left again. Left.
That grenade was effective.
Left.
To your left. Behind the thing.
He's moving to the right now. Somebody actually got him.
Fucking backseat game there.
Yeah. Alright, now if one of you would be so kind as to hopefully get to the room, but there's hopefully not a dude waiting, ratting out in the corner. Right approach.
Oh, there it is.
There was a dude waiting, ratting out just in case.
Well, they're still talking, so they're alive, so. That's
I need to
one.
load!
Nice.
Wow.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Okay, are we on the objective? Where?
The objective was in the corner that you just passed.
Oh, we have to bomb it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have to bomb it.
Looks like it's-
One of y'all need to watch the door. One of y'all should probably watch the door. Yeah.
Ha! It's going to be loud!
Should I blow it or wait? No, we gotta go.
You need to blow
Does
it
it go through
because
walls?
no, but whatever you do, blow it. Blow it, Tomo.
Yep, you gotta do it. Do it, man.
Oh, what the fuck?
Blow it.
What you just did?
Tomo, that is the
I
opposite of
threw C4 on the ground. Oh god, I'm dead.
Grenade.
A lot of heavy grenades.
Don't worry, Tomo, actually, you got a wave, so you're good to go.
Oh yeah. That was so funny.
Zambaktu, I'd strongly recommend getting an ammo carrier and a plate so you could, so you get more ammunition. Because I think you still have just... Beautiful.
Hey, still got basic gear on.
But he's doing wonders with it, I quite frankly wouldn't.
I'm throwing a frag!
I'm not gonna lie, this fucking Chinese rifle is a banger.
What is it?
QBC 97, the same one they give you in Armor 3 for the CSAT guys on Tanoa.
Oh, it reminds me of the FAMAS.
It's a bullpup, so it kinda does. I'm fucking popped, rocked and sucked.
Let me do this.
I don't know.
Shoot through it.
Oh, paper thin walls. 1,000 friendly.
Gonna go with a good early game.
Alright. Go on to it. Should be a stroll in the park.
You did it! We're captured!
Okay, team. Okay. All the time ammunition. Delta time. Compensate, yeah.
Alright, well, you guys are the last guys. No more respawns.
We got mortars coming in.
If we cap G, we're gonna get respawns, and y'all will also be respawning off.
I'll be the bartender.
So you know, those flying the cocktails.
Slugs only.
No.
Ah, Zeb's dead.
That was by the spawn.
Yeah, they'll spawn, don't worry.
Hey, watch out! Okay, reloading.
Come on in.
This is a grenade!
Damn, I'm almost dead.
Stand back! Stand back! Stand back!
Oh my god.
Oh fuck, I ran out.
Drop it! Drop it!
I'm out of ammo. Oh god, there's a lot more dudes pushing.
Spamming on the objective, and you should be spawned there too.
Loading up!
Holy Jesus.
Что ты сыщичка, а?
Drop your gun!
You're going to die, idiot!
I'm gonna toss a grenade over right there.
Stand back! Stand back!
Menu,
Going
move.
out.
Oh!
I'm gonna go quick distance.
Is grenading dead bodies with war crack?
Yeah. It's body mutilation, so yeah, it's up there.
Bomb drones? Oh, no, it's thermite.
I will burn them!
Oh man, it's kind of hard to answer that. That's a second. Coughing my ass out over here.
Kill them!
Oh.
Oh my god, I died too.
Drop them down!
Whatever the hell that thing is, it sounds horrifying. Hey!
It's basically it's a Russian Harrier, basically.